MustangMedic.com. Mustang Medic, Ford Mustang Search and Rescue. Day 68 of the 1971 Mustang Fastback Restoration Project. Part 2 of 2. Check it out. So here we are. Ricky's taking his sweet old time putting that strap on. Sorry, Rick. Just had to bust your chops. Right. Look at that line, guys. And look, oh yeah, look at that. Look at the way he cleaned up that metal. That's a beautiful thing. You got to really appreciate good metal work, because that's a real skill. It's an art.
All right, I'll go on video.
Oh, Carl's going on video.
Since I'm going on video and I did the fabrication, my fabricator actually welded a 1/4 inch of metal onto the edge of that, and then shaved it down with a grinder and reshaped that whole line there. So that's why we look so good today. So just letting you guys know, that's what it is.
He's proud of his work, and he should be.
Very proud of my fabricator's work.
All right, guys. When Ricky's done with that strap,
Are you tying the front?
yeah, it's already tied. So if you crank down your back, the whole car is going to set. That's good. All right, we're out of here. Thank you, Carl.
You're welcome, Will. Have a good one.
We've landed. We're back. Exciting time. Jeff! Look! It's Jeff, the 69 client. You guys have been talking to him. Here he is. He's here to get his dropping off his 69. He's back. The 69 is back, guys. Day whatever we're on is back. And now we're going to be putting in the new distributor from Procom. They sent us a higher end price. We're hurricane winds here, but we're going to make it happen. If you appreciate our efforts to educate and caught the vision of Mustang Medic, please send a donation to the cause via PayPal. Our PayPal email address is paypal@mustangmedic.com. Thank you. Look for a link in the description for the next in our series. If it's not there, come back soon. MustangMedic.com. All right, team, let's go. We're going to find the next Mustang. Yeah. MustangMedic.com.